time.
We just arrived. And thank you Volvo for bringing us here safely.
Volvo.
So we had to park our cars because they don't allow private cars in the what do you call it, like game reserve. So they're picking us up and then they're taking us to the lodge, which I think is quite nice because I think it's for like the whole poaching thing, to prevent that from happening. So yeah.
Sorting, S-O-T-H-I.
Okay, sorted.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes.
Sure.
This one.
This one.
Thank you so much.
And as long as the sun shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are, 'cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know,
Thank you so much.
I just wanna be where you are. I know everything has an end, and I know that we are not getting any younger. But as long as there is time, I will walk beside you, 'cause I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. Then I know I just wanna be where you are.
So, just got back from a morning game drive. We left at about 5:30. Roughly 3-hour game drive. What fun it was. We saw a female lion that is on a hunting spree. Apparently they have cubs. Cubs has not been spotted yet, but yeah, it was amazing. So cheetah and rhinos up close, and then yeah, it was quite something to experience. Yeah, it was fun. Yes. Lekker.
Yeah. You can also film there where the elephant make a mark. It's here.
Yo, and it's like dented, eh?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Maybe can I hold it for you and then can just...
I'm good, thank you.
Alright.
So, last night while we were driving here, we were obviously in this, is this a Land Cruiser?
Yeah,
We were in this Land Cruiser,
Top.
and one of the elephants were in the road, so we couldn't pass. But then one of the bigger elephants started coming closer and closer to the Land Cruiser, and obviously, as you can see, it's an open vehicle. So the elephant was literally standing here and pushing with his trunk against the car, and the whole car was moving. As you can see, it's like dented and scratched as well, and the driver was just like, stay quiet, don't move, don't panic, don't talk. And we were like, our hearts were literally racing.
I was dead.
And the elephant went around, and his what do you call it? Trunk. Oh,
Yeah.
so what is
It's
it? His
tusks.
horns, his tusks. And his trunk was like right here by his ear. And
Sorry for the word.
when we eventually could leave, we were like shaking like this because of the adrenaline. So it was quite a close encounter, but here's the proof of it.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control.
So we are on our way to have some lunch now. It was so lovely. We just chilled in the villa, took some nice photos, Friday, and we swam. And yeah, it was just so amazing. No?
Yeah.
What do
At
you
the waterhole while we swim.
What do you think of me in a bikini?
On fire.
Gaan ons hier af?
On fire.
Gaan ons hier af?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move, make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, nothing to prove. I can feel.
We are going on a game drive. So we're doing like a little bit of a photo shoot. We have some birthday photo champagne, and we set up this little area to do like a cute sunset shoot, which I think is so cute. Hello, thank you so much. Hello.
These elephants know what, eh? It's goed. Dit is champagne.
Thank you so much.
Moet ons mooi aantrekken.
Sommer net so.
Hare rookryk, alles. Ag, jy kan dit uitleer.
Gaan ek. We are having a little bit of a break. We had a little bit of a break. And then apparently there's like a boma fire tonight. And yeah, we're just gonna chill next to the fire and then eventually go to bed.
I'm already tired. I was up from 4:45 this morning. I'm moeg, but this place is just so jam-packed, full of fun. It's really it's not exhausting, it's relaxing, but so much fun.
We're having such a good time.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot.
And it's almost like we're in our own little tent area. Like, I don't know what it is about these net things, but it just makes your bed feel
like a tent.
Sexy. Yeah, it's really
So we've got a
nice.
tent. Hungry. So cool. You think we're gonna eat braaivleis tonight?
Probably.
I'd like a bit of braaivleis.
Hey, van braaivleis.
Okay, share my oopmond soon. That's how much I like braaibroodjies.
Everything looks so yummy and so beautiful, but I'm hungry. Yeah, we are hungry, so we're gonna enjoy this food. We just packed our things, and I mean, we're so sad that we're going home, but it was such an amazing experience. We're just gonna have a light lunch now and then do a little drive back to the main gate. Then we're off to home. And they were so nice, they even packed us like little snacks for the road.
Doggy bags.
So thank you so much, Mhondoro, for having us. It was so lovely.